The atmosphere belongs to everyone. It was with this motto that Andreas Engelhardt boarded the train to Paris to promote important topics from the Second Degree Initiative along with other German business leaders. What we can do today, as a company, as a policy, as those responsible, is something that will protect our children and grandchildren in the future and allow them to live on an Earth that has a healthy atmosphere and no natural disasters. Hence, there are two issues for Schüco, namely to develop the sustainability of our own lives, i.e. how we organise our day and how we produce sustainably, so to speak. The second issue is our products. In this case, it is simply vital that we being all involved parties, from raw material producers and system suppliers through to the end user, persevere with the cradle-to-cradle model, which is going to be a huge challenge. For me personally, and for Schüco, it was quite clear. We need to support an initiative where it's not just talk, but where we are prepared to act, where we're helping to take action. The aspect of how we act was also the focus of the Climate Day, which took place in Bielefeld for the second time. What makes the Climate Day so special? Its unique combination of the in-house commitment from Schüco employees to work for a company in the name of climate change and reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions, and also equipping sustainable buildings as best as possible in the future. The demands outside are increasing, and the climate conference in Paris will highlight this issue. Schüco is at the forefront of this. In the presentations, the leading role of Schüco on the topic of sustainability was clear. What we are doing here is something nobody in our industry is doing. We are fortunate that our core expertise suits this field exactly, and that products and systems are being developed which will lead to a drastic reduction worldwide in the consumption of energy and thereby the level of CO2 pollution. Schüco has already reduced its own carbon footprint by 60%, which has been verified for the fourth time by TÜV NOAD. How Dreifke Pieper from the WWF highlighted the role of companies. Commercial enterprises are making a significant contribution to solving the global climate problems. They have to make a significant contribution. After all, they are also one of the causes, but we will not be able to solve these global problems without the help and without the support of businesses. Herr Dr. Mosler argued for improvements to the value-added chain and that the aspect of sustainability should form the basis of business in the construction industry, while Herr Dr. Teunissen went over the specific aims of Schüco. Herr Fischer summarized all the measures Schüco is taking in one sentence. At Schüco, we use state-of-the-art technology with a focus on people and nature. A particular focus was the workshop with the WWF, in which employees worked out specific opportunities for climate protection and established priorities for future cooperation in reducing CO2 emissions. Once again, the Climate Day made a key contribution to raising the awareness of employees worldwide and was an important step in promoting climate protection at Schüco. Our aim is that our innovative, sustainable products contribute to growth and sales all over the world. After all, we are the only company who already has these products. For all climate zones in this world and for the things that happen there, we are developing systems that reduce energy consumption because only one thing is clear: the atmosphere belongs to everyone.